All right, I just sat out here and talked for 10 fucking minutes to myself for no reason. Anyway, uh, synchronized these carburetors this morning using these, finally found my vacuum gauges. Okay, I'm within a couple of pounds on each cylinder. So I'm going to lock these things down and go take it for a spin, see if the slides repairs worked out good. Let me slide these vacuum caps back on there. I'll let you know when I get back. All right, I'm pretty damn pleased with that. Took it out and rode it, came back. I actually never pulled like that before anywhere. Still at the very top, it wouldn't pull clear to redline, but it definitely didn't have a stumble to it. It was a little bit lean on the top, very top, very, very top. Had 135 main jets in them. I think I drilled them out to 150s. Using, I think I used the number 54 jet drill. That puts it right around 150, 151, somewhere in there, 149. It's better. I'll tell you what, now that that's running like that, definitely got to do something with the brakes and suspension, especially the front brakes, and the suspension's all over the damn place. And I got fork seals for that thing, so that's probably next. So between the vacuum slides not really going up and down the way they should, uh, and being a little bit lean on the top. I mean, just like I said, I went to 150s in there. I think that's what I did. 150. It was number 54 jet drill. I'd have to go look. I looked it up this morning, but my memory's shot, so it's definitely pulls a lot better. But like I said, it's actually fast now. My speedo still says 70, but it's kind of guesstimate on the speedo there because that thing's kind of screwed. Odometer don't work, and the needle, you get up over 60 and the needle starts bouncing all over the place. But you know what? That thing probably hadn't run that good in years. Anyway, brakes and suspension, definitely. Things all over the place as far as the damping goes in the front. And the pads being damn soaked in fork oil. Not now, I cleaned them, but I think my new pads should be in here today. I already got the fork seals, I think yesterday, so I picked up fork oil last week in anticipation, so we should be doing probably forks and brakes next. And I still got to change the transmission fluid. Haven't done that yet. Ended up changing the diff fluid, changing drive shaft oil. It had maybe at most an ounce, if that, in the damn drive shaft oil. So filled that back up. I think that thing took 350 cc's is what that takes. Gear oil. And I think that's about it. I'm pretty damn pleased with it now. Been so long since I rode one, I was like, man, this thing couldn't pull a greasy string out of a cat's ass. Feels much better now. At least it pulls the red line. Still ain't a rocket ship, but it's probably 20 times better than it was at least. Two valve air cooled twin. What do you expect? I expected a lot more than what it had. and it's definitely got more now. So anyway, I'm supposed to cook dinner today, so I got to go pick some stuff out of the garden and get some chicken cooked and do all that before the boy gets home from school. Wife's got to work tonight, so we'll do that. Anyway, if you like my content, please like, share, subscribe, comment, all that jazz. Hit the notification bell. And I guess next on this one will be the forks and the front brakes. I'm starting to like this bike a lot more every time I do stuff on it. So, sure sounds like a pretty bike, but it does ride fairly good now. It's got a little bit of power to it, or more power than it had. Anyway, let me get going doing other stuff. Guys, take care. Have a good week.